Welcome to Wind Cave National Park. Alright, we have 10/20 tickets to the natural entrance tour at Wind Caves, which is the most popular tour here. Just a heads up, if you're doing this in 2022, you do need to wear a mask.
Still.
Here we go, into the cave. The natural entrance tour is an hour and 15 minutes, and it's only 2/3 of a mile. This tour is ranked as moderate difficulty, and there are 300 steps to climb in total. The highlights of this tour include seeing boxwork and cave popcorn along the route. It was pretty dark in the cave, so some of the video clips are from my GoPro and some are from my iPhone, which takes better video in low light. All tours at Wind Caves National Park are ranger-guided tours, and all tours leave from the visitor center. Tours often sell out a few hours in advance, so just to be safe, we bought our tickets on recreation.gov a few weeks before this trip. You are not allowed to bring food, drinks, or backpacks into the cave, so be aware of that before you plan your day. We are ducking our way through.
It is wild.
This is so cool. I'll try.
It's so cool. You can see right in there. See that? Welcome to the cathedral. Let's see if we can get another picture of that. Going down.
Yeah, but big guys
This is so cool. What do you think, Bish?
This is awesome. We were lucky to have an amazing ranger for both of our tours at Wind Cave National Park. They were incredibly informative and we learned a lot as we explored through the cave. We just finished the natural entrance tour. We have a little bit of a break before we head out on the Fairgrounds tour. So we're gonna head back to the car, have a little snack, and then into our second cave tour of today.
Okay, here we are at the elevator building. It's where the fairground and the Garden of Eden tours begin. There's about 450 stairs in this tour. It's about an hour and a half long and is about 2/3 of a mile total. It's listed as strenuous, but if it's anything like what we just went through with the natural entrance tour, it's not going to be that bad. I think at one part you have to go up 89 stairs, but that shouldn't be too bad. Should be fun.
Even though the Fairgrounds tour was ranked as strenuous, we didn't think it was difficult at all. There are 450 stairs to climb in total, and there is one section that has 89 stairs at once, but if you take your time, it's not bad at all. This tour is impressive as you can see boxwork, frostwork, and cave popcorn along the route.
Here we go, up 89 steps.
This is where I was voluntold that I was going to become an honorary park ranger, handed a flashlight, and advised everyone to look at these initials on the ceiling.
How you doing, babe?
I'm doing good. I became part of the tour.
The secondary tour guide. This isn't giraffe friendly.
Look at there. See, this is church. See how dark it is? That's Michelle right there. I got the light on her that I stole from the ranger.
He's a thief.
But this is so cool.
Excuse me, do you work here? Oh, look.
That is cool.
That's really cool.
Cave is one of the largest mapped caves in the world. It is the third largest cave in the United States and the seventh largest cave in the entire world. Wind Cave is also the sixth oldest national park in the United States and the first in the world to preserve underground features.
We just made it to the end of the tour. We just have to take the elevator back up.
So we just finished up the Fairgrounds tour. It was awesome. The 89 stairs were not really that bad.
This was not strenuous. I
Not
just want to
strenuous.
throw that out there.
It kind of got broken up into like landings, but it was definitely cool. Recommend checking it out when you visit Wind Caves. But we are now on to Mount Rushmore tomorrow, so stay tuned, subscribe, and
More
check us out.
adventures coming soon.
She jumped in on that one.